Transaction confirmation is a new automated invoice system designed to improve the entire transaction with acceptance now from sale to payment. When your store transitions to transaction confirmation, the client invoice management system is replaced with the payment dashboard. Creating a call in Sure Dispatch is simple. In the Calls tab, click on Create Call in the upper left-hand side. In the Call Details page, you'll see the call number automatically populates along with the current date and time. Not all of the fields on this page are required. The water cycle is the movement of water as it circulates through the environment. The main parts of the water cycle are 1. Evaporation. As energy from the sun heats up water in rivers, lakes, and oceans, water turns into vapor and rises into the air. Sprains and strains occur when we push our muscles past their limits and pull or tear ligaments and tendons. Preventing sprain and strain injuries starts with using proper lifting techniques. Bend your knees and squat. Don't bend at the waist to pick up an object. The third element is the gate, which is highlighted on the screen. Generally, the gate is made of metal or polysilicon. The gate is part of the transistor that is used to turn the transistor on and off. It is juxtaposed with, but is not contacting, the diffusion region. Your safety is a priority on and off the job. For everything that matters most, remember to work safe.